Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. As you saw in the title, I just got done filming a everyday makeup tutorial, even though truly, I don't wear makeup every day, simply due to the fact that I don't leave my house that often. But when I do, this is my go-to look, and I'm not good with intros, so I'm gonna get right to the video. Hey, so I am already moisturized and all that. Well, I'm just moisturized. But I'm gonna get right into it and start. I don't prime for my everyday makeup because I don't know, I just don't see the point of it. The only time I do prime is if I know I'm gonna be out for a couple hours, and I'm not. So I'm gonna start with my tinted moisturizer. I'm not a foundation fan because it feels too heavy on my skin, and this gives me the perfect coverage, and it's my perfect color. Yeah, it is called the Velvet Matte Skin Tint, and it is in the color Cuba, medium 3. I heard stories, rumors about them discontinuing this, and I don't know if it's true because they still sell it in the Nordstrom's in my area. I live in LA, but I don't know. So I put like, how much do I use? See, it's almost over. This is like my 4th one maybe. Don't tell me I ran out. It's not the time. This is not the time. Okay. No, we good. Okay, I use like, is this a dime size? Let's just say dime size, okay? And then I take a flat brush. I don't know what this is called. I don't know what any of my brushes are called, so I'm not gonna name them. And I just dab. Stroke. Dab. Stroke. Let's go with stroke. See, I think I put too much. Honestly, you don't need a dime. You need like a smaller than a dime. Shut up, hurry up, think fast. I don't know, smaller than a dime. And just put it everywhere. And I don't do my forehead, and it's not because I already set my baby hairs. That's not the reason. I just don't do my forehead because I don't know, I feel like when I don't, it gives like this more natural look. It could be in my head, but you tell me. And then I take this brush. I don't know what it's called, but this brush, and I just dab. I used the right term this time. But I don't do it completely because I go over it with my beauty blender. Okay, so now I go in with my dirty beauty blender, and I dab some more, the left remaining product on my hand, and I will just Alright, I think I'm done. My skin has been extremely dry, which is weird because people usually get dry skin in the winter. My skin gets dry in the summer, and I don't know what it is. But it is what it is. Alright, I think I'm done. Now I'm done. I know I said that before, but I think I'm done. Look how shiny my forehead is. God damn. Okay. Once I'm done with that, I take my concealer. This is by Tarte. It's called Shape Tape. So I went to Ulta the other day, and no one helped me pick a color, so I just like winged it, and I picked a color, and I think I did a good job. It's 345 medium sand. I don't like it too bright, like a completely different shade to like than my base, maybe like 1 or 2 shades below. And this seemed like it was it, so just, you know, the huge. Yeah. But that's it. And then you just go right back to dabbing. I swear this is why I feel like my right arm is stronger than my left arm, simply due to makeup. Sometimes you gotta go in with your finger because no brush matches up to your fingers. Okay, we're good. Next, I go in with my Fenty. Okay, funny story. This is actually their, ow, that hurt. Foundation stick, matchstick in, yeah, in Mocha, and I use it as a, really, what is going on, brain? Contour stick, I remember. It's terrible, so terrible today. Okay, and then I just do my thing. And then, you know, get rid of that double chin. And just get in there. I think I got it all right. I usually have music playing, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a little bored. Okay, this brush. All my brushes are called this brush apparently. And just like swirl. Take your fingers and just, okay, my nail broke, and we're just gonna continue with life because, you know, it actually blends better when you have no nail. All right, now that we have that, I go in with my setting powder. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't do this all the time because sometimes it looks like chalky to me. If it's just like, if I'm only just going out for an hour or whatnot, I don't do setting powder. But like until it sets into my skin, it looks chalky to me, which I don't really like that much. My setting powder brush. Okay, I use this brush, and I don't go directly under my eyes. I just go here, and I don't leave it like to I don't bake. I just do this. Yeah. I just focus more on my cheekbones, if that makes sense. Now, bronzer. Oh, have I been naming these products? That one was Mercier. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm almost out, but we're gonna make it work. And then you just, with a light here, like I hold it at the top of the brush because, you know, you get a lighter stroke. Okay, I think we're good now. Okay, once we're done with bronzer, I'll go back into my setting powder, and we're gonna like line it up. Do my base line up. Okay, gotta focus because I can't mess up this line. See? Same on the other side. Can't be no wiggly lines neither, so focus. Cool. Now while that sets, so I guess I do bake this part for like a little bit. I go in, oh, blush. So for my blush, I use MAC, and it's called Telling Glow Extra Dimension Blush, and it is this color. It's like peachy. It's cute. And I go in with this brush, You know what? Let me just try. Oh no. I know the name of this one. It is Morphe. 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 M427. Am I a makeup artist yet or what? And I just dab. Oh, next I get rid of that, you know, just blend it with like a clean fat brush. Now for my actual favorite part, which is highlighters. Okay, so I've been using this for years. I've used other highlighters, but this is like my go-to. That's enough, right? Then I take the rest a little bit with my finger and I just, you know, let's go in a little under our eyebrows. Alright. Okay. Now, for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. And I just like stroke. I feel like, you know what, I should have done this from the get, but stroke and like align it how you want. I don't like to go ham with my eyebrows because I feel like my eyebrows are pretty thick and I like them more natural. And okay, so I don't finish what I say when I speak, huh? Anyways, you make the angry face and then just, you know what, I need the other mirror. It's not the same. Okay. There you go, that's it. And then, yeah. So my favorite eyebrow routine part is this right here. This is my NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, and I feel like it makes the biggest difference for my eyebrows. Like sometimes I don't even do the Anastasia part. I just use this and I just stroke upwards like that. I like comb it down and then just, you know, make a little bit of a mess. I love messy eyebrows. That's it. Stroke until you like it. And I like that, so I will stop there. So for every day, I do not do eye makeup. I love doing eye makeup, don't get me wrong, it's super fun, but it's not gonna happen for every day because we don't care that much. I don't care that much. So yeah, mascara, I use a L'Oreal Voluminous curved brush, so you know you could get in them creases. And then just, I probably look hella stupid right now. Okay. Alright, once I like it, I stop. And then I go underneath with like, I don't dip in again. I just go, my phone storage was full, so the video kept stopping. Oh man. Okay. But I think I deleted some things and I think we're good for now. So I just want to like hurry up. Alright, that's it. Goes in after saying that's it. Okay, last thing I do is setting spray. This is also by MAC, Prep and Prime Fix. It's like the gold glitter one. There's no name. Oh, Goldlite. And just the disrespect. Yeah, I'm gonna do my lips off camera. I'm back. So this is my lip. It's Kylie. It's by Kylie Cosmetics. It's the color Ginger, but I really want to say thank you guys for watching and subscribing and all that. I really truly do appreciate you a lot. And if you guys want more videos, like I said before, just let me know. Comments, I do read comments and DMs and what else? How else can you contact me? Twitter and all that. I love you guys.